It is time! My doggies. Oh my god, there's a lot of people in the lobby. Yo, okay. This is gonna be the recording. This is gonna be the recording, okay, that I'm gonna use. I'm messing up things.
Excuse you.
Linkster, I wasn't ready for you. Oh! Oh! Yo, I'm sexy as fuck. Oh, freeze, please. How did I mess that up? I pressed 2B. I pressed 2B, I swear on my life. But he's bad anyway, you know, he just ran into that icicle.
Fight.
How did I mess that up? That's actually sad boy hours. That's sad velvet hours. Oh my gosh, can we get the rainy paprika stage, please? Linkster, this doesn't count. Linkster, this doesn't count. This is a warm-up round. I DP'd. Yeah, this is 100% a warm-up round. I swear to God, I press buttons. I press buttons and I just messed up.
Paprika wins.
I blame my controller, of course. Never blame yourself. Never blame yourself. It's never your fault. It's always the controller's fault, or always the game itself. Oh my god, here we go. Trap house. Oh, look at that bait. I just dropped my combo so that I can pick it back up. Hold up, let me win this real quick. Yeah, he thinks he's playing. He's about to get red.
KO.
Dude, I will fucking wait. I will wait. Don't matter how long. I don't even care about that.
Is that Corgi? Is that Corgi?
Ah! Who is that? Is that Sonic Fox? Is that Sonic Fox?
No, shut up!
God damn
Get
it.
your ass
I'm not gonna
out
roll.
here and fight me.
I am beating Linkster's ass right now. He did not read that. You did not read that, Linkster. Don't super me. God fucking.
KO.
No! That's dumb. That's dumb. You know, that's fine. That's fine. I'll come back for you, Linkster. I'll come back for you. Foxy, come over here. Get that ass worked on.
Let's go! Let's go!
KO.
Oh, okay, okay.
Turn, dude!
I forgot you do that, okay.
I'm learning as I fight!
Oh, I tried to anti-air! I should have DP'd it. You're so bad! You're so bad!
Why, you little.
Yes! Yes!
Be ashamed. I've got a prairie to save. Let us break the ice.
Okay, Foxy, you're gonna get this
Round
work
one.
again.
Fight.
Oh, you're making me so tired just thinking about it. I got safe. I play safe. It's all good. I'm safe. Ah! What is this connection, Foxy?
I don't know, you're playing from your local library, I don't know what you're doing.
No, that ain't me. Oh! Foxy, you should have known better. Foxy! Foxy! That grab should have hit you, but Foxy! Foxy!
Hey, shut up! Stop calling me name! I ain't your daddy.
Fight.
Super? Yup! Look at that call out! Oh my god, Foxy's so day one. These frames are like, holy shit. Come back here. Come back here.
That didn't blow me anywhere.
I know! I was hoping it'd blow you.
That's pretty gay, dude.
Well, somebody's got to. Your girlfriend ain't.
What girlfriend?
No, I'm not saying it. Where are you? Mistakes are made. But I made that safe. I made that safe. It's all good.
KO.
Oh my god.
I hold you accountable for any damage done to my flute.
Foxy's so
Round two.
easy, man. Oh my gosh, do I have another control? I don't have another controller.
Where to from here?
I don't have another. Wait, do I have
John
another?
and talking about, ooh, let me get my cat out the microwave.
Let us break the ice.
What?
Ready? Fight.
I'm over here looking for a new controller. You're talking about a cat in a microwave. How did that escalate?
My cat's in the microwave, man. I can't combo properly. My cat's in the fridge again.
Oh, I gotta go get him out. I dropped that combo because my cat's in the microwave.
Heyo.
Oh, my squirrel put himself in the blender again. I gotta turn it off before he cuts his tail off.
Round 2.
My dog's in the dryer. Oh, I tried to grab him.
Hog tag.
Oh, my Totino's pizza rolls are ready.
Mom made me Totino's pizza rolls again, dude. I gotta go.
I gotta go right now. I'm just trying to hurry it up.
I mean, you're light work, but I need those pizza rolls, dude. I gotta stay healthy.
Oh, fuck, dude.
Heyo. Few of my
I'm
favorite
just wiping
things.
up the hot pocket off the floor.
Stop.
Bro, you know, I just have to wake up super on you, bro.
Oh, bro, no. I can block that shit.
Nope.
Oh, my God, get crossed up, bro.
Bro, no.
Bro,
That's my
no.
magic dash. And no.
Bro, oh, my God, that was such a bait, bro. My button didn't come out. Oh, my God, look at that DP. Oh, my God, bro, no.
Bro, no. He has to make. Oh no, he has to meet it to finish it out.
Heyo.
Oh, no, I didn't have to waste bro.
I
Oh, bro.
fight.
Well, who's gonna win? Oh, my God, that was a stump. Oh, that's punishable by law. I super, bro. Oh, I can take that, bro.
Take off.
I
I
crossed
almost
up.
got hit.
Back dash?
We're beaten by Sebastian.
Dashing.
Back dash? That's just the way it is.
Way the crumble cookies.
Okay, that's fine. I always have to give one round. Oh, no, you did not. Okay. It's all good. It was all data. It was downloading. I was just downloading you. As soon as I saw him teleport. I'm gonna taunt him.
Bad about you.
No, I was a god for a second. I swear to God, it's my controller. I swear to God, I would have blocked that if it weren't for my controller. I swear to God, I would have tanked that if it weren't for my controller. Let me DP. I swear to God, I would have hit that DP if it weren't for my controller. Oh no.
It's over now.
Oh no. My controller, of course. I lost so I can change my character. That's what I did.
Rematch?
Hold up, switch character. And we going back to Velvet!
Luteface!
That's insane! That's insane, why can't I DP then? You think it's over? It's not over!
Heyo!
No, you want super? You want super?
Ah, you little!
No, my DP! This is a damn shame.
Paprika wins!
Okay, whatever, good games, you know, good games. I ain't salty at all. It just happens to the best of us. It happens from time to time to time. It's my controller, okay? I swear to God, my controller's messed up. I keep going down for no reason. I'll come back for you, daring dude. Fuck you, Foxy.
Hearing some shit talk.
Fuck you, Foxy.
Actually, wait a minute. I want to see this.
No, I'm
Don't start
leaving.
fight
Fuck
yet.
Foxy.
Watch this. I gotta watch this. You have.
I can't
you
get
know,
out,
the
beast.
last one?
Tripping finesse. It don't make no sense. I can't tripping finesse.